Fun facts. A baby turtle is called a hatchling. They can hold their breath for 4 hours. A shell is made of 60 shells. Their prey are sharks and dogs.
What a cheetah looks like. A cheetah has sharp claws to help it grip the ground. A cheetah looks cuddly and cute, but they are not. Cheetahs have lines from their eyes to their mouths. They look like tear marks. Cheetahs look like leopards, but leopards do not have tear marks. Idea penguins are found on Antarctica. Antarctica is very cold. Penguins can swim very fast. Penguins have webbed feet so that they can swim. Antarctica gives penguins everything they need. Fun facts about jellyfishes. Name a baby jellyfish. Name is Efray. A jellyfish predators are other jellyfish, tuna, sharks, and sea turtles. What a snake eats. Snakes camouflage to catch their prey. A snake eats mice, and some snakes even eat geckos. All snakes eat frog eggs. Snakes eat a ton. What a dolphin looks like. A dolphin lives in big oceans. They live with lots of fish. A snow leopard looks like. A snow leopard has a long tail to keep it balanced. A snow leopard has 4 legs. A snow leopard is spotted. A snow leopard is tall. Everything all in a snow leopard's home helps it live.
When their horns are made out of the same thing as our fingernails. Poachers kill rhinos for their horns. Rhinos are endangered animals.
What a bobcat eats. A bobcat can eat a lot of food. They eat birds, mice, rabbits, hares. Bobcats hunt at night. Bobcats pounce on their prey to kill it. Komodo dragons are the largest lizard at 10 feet long. The basilisk lizards can run on water. What a polar bear looks like. Not all polar bears look the same. Polar bears have 4 paws so that they can swim. Polar bears have 2 ears. Polar bears have clean fur. Polar bears have big paws. Polar bears have black skin to stay warm.
Fun facts. Elephants live up to be 70 years old. When the rainy season begins, elephants travel south. Elephants make loud, low sounds that other elephants can hear up to 6 miles away. Mother elephants are pregnant for 22 months. Elephants favor their right or left tusk just like we favor our right or left hand.
When they are afraid, they growl or bite. They don't have thumbs. seahorse looks like. Their bodies are covered with bony rings. They can be in many different colors. A thin dorsal fin to help them swim. A curly tail to hold on to coral. Their eyes can go in different directions to look for prey and predators. Where a cheetah lives. A cheetah lives in the grassland, and cheetahs need open space, and sometimes cheetahs live on hills, and some cheetahs live in the savannah, and most cheetahs live in Africa.
A spider eats. All spiders are meat eaters. Most spiders eat insects. Some spiders eat big animals like fish, snakes, lizards, frogs. Sometimes spiders eat each other.